Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin to explore AI solutions and software for all use cases using this plugin. Alright, so before I would show you an actual example on how to use this ChatGPT plugin, let's see some example or use cases of this plugin. So my website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, there's a full tutorial on this AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin, so you can check that out as well. And one of the things I talk about in the article are use cases. So here are some use cases for this AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin. The best use case is, of course, is to find new AI tools you are interested in, and you can find AI tools for data analysis, content creation, marketing, healthcare, education, e-commerce AI tools, HI/AR tools, finance tools in the artificial intelligence space, cybersecurity AI tools, agriculture AI tools, and all that good stuff. In the article, I also share some of the best ChatGPT prompts you can use this AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin with, so make sure to check the article in the description below. And there's also a full database of all available ChatGPT plugins that you can reuse right now. I will also share that database in the description below. It's absolutely free. You can get access to that database, which includes all ChatGPT plugins with the best prompts you can use them and with the best use cases. Alright, but now let's see how to use the AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use the plugin, you have to go through some steps, a process that is necessary to be able to use the plugin. I'm not going to go over all of the steps because it's quite repetitive for me, but if you don't know any of these steps, check out my channel where I have a ton of tutorials on how to do these steps in this process of enabling the AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin. So first you have to make sure that you are a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. Then you also have to make sure that the plugins are enabled in your ChatGPT account. Then click on New Chat, and select the GPT-4, and select Plugins. Then make sure that the AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin is installed. If you cannot see it in the installed list, you have to click on Plugin Store and install the plugin. And last but not least, once the plugin is installed, you also have to make sure that the plugin you want to use is enabled. And you can enable a plugin by checking the checkbox here next to the plugin name. So now we are able to interact with the AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin. So let's see an example. So let's say we are interested in finance and financial analysis and using AI to power up our analysis of finance, of investments, of crypto or anything else like that. So let's say we want to learn more about these AI tools. So we can ask this AI Tool Hunt plugin to give us the best tools, AI tools for financial analysis. Then click on Execute. And ChatGPT is clever enough to know that it has to enable or activate this plugin to be able to get AI tools for financial analysis. And now, as you can see here, using that plugin, the plugin is activated and it will get a ton of financial tools here. And based on that data, you can see that it gave us some of the best financial analysis AI tools. So as you can see, we have received a network error, but let's regenerate the response so we get a nicer output here. And the great thing about it is that the AI Tool Hunt plugin will give us the name of the tool, a link to that tool, and there's also a quick description of how that tool works. So if you want to learn more about each of the tools, just click on the tool there, and you're going to be able to do a full analysis of these tools. So you know this is how to use the AI Tool Hunt ChatGPT plugin to find the best and most cutting-edge AI tools out there for any use cases, finance, marketing, content creation, and all that good stuff. As I mentioned, if you want to get access to a full database of all available ChatGPT plugins, you can get access by clicking the link in the description below. And if you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can also check out.